Hey everybody, it's Mark from WrenchWay. Just wanted to let you know we launched a new game called Loneliest Number where we're giving away $1,000 every week. So we're really excited about this. The winner will get 500 and then they get to pick a high school of their choice to support that high school's tech program. So a lot of things going on here. It's a really simple game. We don't like to just draw a name from a hat or anything like that. So we wanted to get a little more creative. So today I wanted to just show you how you play the game. Real simple, go out to WrenchWay and click on the Shop Talk tab. I should note that this will be available on the mobile app if you use that. Right now, I think it's out there for Android, and then Apple, they take their time on improving things. So today's Tuesday, October 4th. Hopefully in the next day or so, they'll have it approved. But if you just go out to WrenchWay like I have on the screen here, first thing you'll notice is some of the Shop Talk posts have little numbers by them, so you can earn points for answering questions. We take all that feedback and we publish industry reports, things like that. This one's just voting for a favorite video for last month, but there's some others in here asking poll questions from technicians. So in the future, we'll add the ability for shops to post stuff and then earn points as well. But right now, if you see this colored number on here, some are worth 1, some are 2, some are 3, you can earn points for that. So then you take your points to play the game. So up top here, you can see Loneliest Number. I go to submit your pick. First, you need to be logged in. You need to be a WrenchWay insider. If not, just click on the upper right-hand side. It's all free. You just have to create a username and password, which we've all done 1,000 times on different sites. So you'll see the game. I already have my school selected. It explains how it works over here, but I'm going to talk through that right now. If you don't have your school selected, it'll give you a little red warning message. So I'll just walk through and edit my school here. So you can search by any area. I live in Verona, Wisconsin, which is right outside of Madison. So that's what I had searched. You can see the schools we already have set up. If you don't see your school listed, definitely reach out to us or reach out to the school to get them signed up. It's completely free for them. They get a lot of cool benefits as well. But for now, just pick a school that we have listed and then let us know and we'll add because you can always change it later. So I had selected Verona. Again, I had already set this up, but I'll do it again. So I set that as my school. And now I can come in here and play the game. So the way this works is you're trying to pick the lowest number that nobody else picks. Sounds a little complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. So let's say I have 4 picks. I can do up to 5 a week, and I pick number 1, but 7 other people pick number 1, and 4 people pick number 2, and 12 people pick number 3. But then I also pick number 4, and I'm the only person that picked that, then I would win. So I would win $500. Verona High School gets $500 as a donation through my name. They get a check, the school does. As the winner, you get gift cards. We have over 100 different national and some regional retailers to pick from. Pretty much everything's out there. I mean, if you want to go simple, Amazon or Best Buy, things like that, Cabela's, every major retailer's out there. So a great way, you can break it up so you can take $100 gift card here, $50 there, $200 there, whatever you want to. But that's really the gist of it. Each week, answer these questions, help us improve the industry, give us feedback, and then you can make a couple picks. The game ends at Sunday night, 7 o'clock Central Time. So that's when the winner will be announced. That's when the school will be announced. And then a new game starts right away. Looking forward. Again, it sounds maybe a little more complicated than it is. It's super easy, though. We used this game at a prior company I had, and people loved it. And it's just a fun way. Again, we don't want to just be boring and pick a name out of a hat. So this was a little more fun. All right, we're excited to see and hear your thoughts on this. So let us know. Thanks.